What I took from the big tech earnings is that the five lens approach has never been more valuable. And I know that it's a little bit of bias because that's the way that I look at stocks. But let me give you an example for our listeners. So, big names: Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, Meta, which is basically Facebook, and Instagram, of course. Now, these are names that everybody can relate to, whether or not they have a finance degree or whether or not they even own any stock. Okay. But these companies have a stake in America's future. Okay. So it is more than just finance. Now, if you look at these companies and if you look at the first lens, the fundamentals, all of them did very well. They grew money, they grew earnings. But as we talked about previously, and as we will continue to talk about, sometimes feelings will matter more than the facts. And so guidance was kind of like the divergence, right, Chuck? So, for example, Tesla and Microsoft, they were, let's say, kind of punished a little bit by the market, whereas Apple and Meta were rewarded. Now, these are short-term moves, and that is a key concept. But at the same time, it shows you that sentiment is super important.